Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel OCTANE TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. This is pretty much what we're going to be doing with the door panels. 1 6.5, 1 Tweete. That's pretty much how we're going to run it. All right, we're going to be doing these 2014 F250 door panel removal. What you'll want to do is you'll want to take a pick tool and you'll want to take this piece off right here. So I've got a pick tool right here. What you'll want to do is just get this behind this, pop this off. There's two 7mm behind there. You go down here to the bottom, there's a 7mm here. You go down over here, there's a 7mm over there, basically two slots down there. And then up here, what you'll want to do on this Sony piece is you'll want to basically pull this back, and then when you get back, there's two clips on it. And then at the very bottom down here, you'll want to unplug this plug. And that's the first step you'll want to kind of do, is to get this tweeter pod off of here, because you have to pull up on the door panel. And here's what it looks like unplugged. You just basically push on this little black piece right here. Right there, just push on that and pull down, that'll come off. And then right here is where that piece is at, and boom, that comes off with your pick tool. You got your four little pieces there, and then a 7mm and a 7mm behind there. Once you remove that one, and then the two bottom ones, you will basically be ready, and then you can just lift up on the door panel. It will actually just pull up. Now that we've got all the bolts out of it, you're just going to basically pull and take it, and you're just going to pull up, and this whole door panel will basically pull up. If you can see, you're just going to pull it up, and that's actually how it comes up. And then what we're going to do is behind here and here, there's harnesses and plugs. We're going to want to unplug each one of those, and then this whole door panel will be able to come off. Here's the back side of the door panel. As you can see, these are, they just slide right in to these parts here, and then basically that's how you pull it up. And this is what you're going to unplug, is these plugs right here and these plugs right here. And then basically these are all your plugs right here. Those are what you're all going to unplug. And then this is your tweeter plug. It's actually a pretty simple door panel to get off, but if you don't know how to get it off, it kind of makes it kind of hard. If you all also want to remove this speaker, it's a 5x7 6x8. You'll have four 7mm, and you can just take that speaker right out. All right, we finally got these damn baffles in. My God. This is the easy part. Beavis is over here like, ugh! All right, we've got to cut out where this red line is to be able to accommodate the speakers because they're so large. We got our design. Now we just got to cut it all out. Mucho fun. All right, we got all this cut out. We got our plexi underneath here to run. Everything's looking really good.
How long do you plan on staying here?